everyone. Today we're talking about how to use RT framework to connect ZM615 or 605 truck in, truck out program. So this is the screen. On the top, that is the menu. You can access database like a tickets database, truck database, and also configuration. On the menu, that is scale collected. You can see the scale name, IP address, port, and status. On the right side, that is scale weight, the knife weight. When scale weight change, it will change as well. And in the middle of screen, that is 3 pages of status. The first log view that shows the communication from indicator to scale to PC, and PC to scale. You can see the receive text, send the information. The second page we call tickets database. It will show all the tickets. When scale run finish transaction, the tickets will send to the PC automatically. So for example, away truck, so right now you see the tickets is 131. So after I finish the transaction, the tickets saved to the PC is 132. So this database could be export to a CSV file. Then you can use other purposes. Then for your accounting system or for your other software. Also in here, show incomplete tickets. This means the truck finish way in but haven't finished way out. You can fresh read. Currently there's no truck in this database. Also, that is called support database. That is truck, product, customer, and project. This 4 database, you could disable or enable one or 3. And also you can change the name, like product name you could call material, or customer you can call driver, or any other name. That could be done in the configuration file. This name should be same as the indicator settings. Like for example about truck database, you can see how many truck in the database right now in the computer. Or you can read from indicator, that's 3. Or you can write this database to the indicator. Also you can delete one or purge all of them. Add or edit button is to add a new one, or you can edit the information for the truck database. Also in here, they have a product database. You can, same thing, you can add, edit, or export or import, read and write database. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.